Good PM, ngayon po ay Tuesday, February 25, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayon Tuesday, February 25, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong February 25, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, February 25, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, and Ultra Lotto 658 for February 25, 2025, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, February 25, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.